and start.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to present a poster on hierarchy of bondability, which is a term coined by Dr. David Alleman. According to it, there are different bond potentials throughout the tooth, and this dictates the direction of shrinkage of composite as well as how we bond our composite to the tooth. When we consider bonding to the tooth, two substrates must be considered. One is enamel and the other is dentine. Bonding to enamel is easier and faster because of its dry homogeneous nature. However, the bond strength or the bond potential to enamel is limited because of its brittle nature. Bonding to dentine is slower, but when a matured strong bond forms to the dentine, it can give the bond strength of around 51 megapascal, which is the bond strength of the dentino-enamel junction. So this knowledge can be used by using caries detection dye, and we can understand the different bond strengths through enamel, superficial dentine, and deep dentine. Along with that, when we consider shrinkage of the composite shrinks in the direction of dry inorganic structure and away from the wet organic structure. So, in order to overcome the hierarchy of bondability, we need to consider the concept of decoupling with time.
Thank you, Dr. Desai, for this explanation of hierarchy of bondability. Now let's look at how we can overcome this by utilizing the decoupling with time protocol. And decoupling with time protocol, it states that it's delaying the connection of deep dentine with superficial dentine or enamel. And this will allow the proper time to mature the hybrid layer and form its full strength. We can do this in two ways. First, we can wait for a certain time after applying to the bonding agent, at least 5 to 30 minutes, or we can minimize the initial increment of composite layer up to 1 to 2 millimeters, and this will allow us to reduce the polymerization shrinkage stress. In case of the direct restoration, we can also use the polyethylene fibers and the glass fibers, and this will help us to reduce the polymerization shrinkage. Additionally, use of the hair abrasion technique and the slow pulse taking curing, which also increases the bondability and reduces the shrinkage of the hybrid layer. However, in case of the large extensive damage, indirect or semi-indirect restoration should be considered in conjunction with the immediate dentine sealing due to margin elevations and resin coating. And this will allow us to mature the bio-base formation, and it shows that it gains its full bond strength up to 400% compared to the traditional restoration. So that's how, utilizing the decoupling with time protocol, we can increase the longevity of restorations and reduces the retreatment cases. Thank you.